One card slot is the front, two card slots are the back. First, install the windshield by inserting the 4T screws into the slots. Note that the following is the reverse side of the luggage frame. The screws are located in the slots inside. Align the screw with the hole. Install windshield. Adjust the position and tighten the washer and nut. Use the small wrench from the accessory kit to tighten all the screws. Cover all 8 clip supports with foam pads to prevent scratching the roof rack during installation. The gasket might be a little too big. You can use scissors to cut it to the same size as the bracket. Before installation of the bracket, attach the clip bracket to the original car's roof rack. Please refer to the approximate location shown in the image above the video for the installation position. After clamping the bracket, simply install the hex screws and washers to secure it. After installation of the bracket, the installation method is the same as the front bracket. The same installation method is used on the other side. The effect after the 4 brackets are installed. Lift the roof rack onto the support. Adjust position. Insert T-bolts into the slots of the roof rack, 2 bolts for each bracket. Align bracket holes. Simply install the washer and nut to secure it slightly. Do not tighten them. After tightening the nuts and washers on all 4 brackets, adjust their final positions. Finally, tighten all the nuts on the brackets. Installation complete.